Hello everyone. In this tutorial we are going to see how to use the truncate table statement. The truncate table is used to delete the data inside the table, but it will not delete the structure of table. This is your table and it has certain structure. It has column names, it has data type, it has also some constraints that are applied on each column. When you use the truncate table, we just delete the data inside the table and will not delete the structure of your table. Let's see that one here. This is syntax. You write truncate table keywords and after that you mention your table name. So your table name is staff members. Once you execute this statement, the data will be deleted, but the structure will be there. Question number 1 is asking us to write a SQL query to delete the data inside the staff member and staff department tables. We have these two tables and we are going to use the truncate table to delete its data. Let's try to solve this using SQL implementation. In this tutorial, we are going to delete the data inside these two tables, staff members and staff department. But if you go on the left side panel and you click on the staff management database and click on the tables, you will be able to see you do not have the tables because in last video you deleted these two tables using drop statement. Now to use the truncate, you would like to create these tables one more time. So I'm gonna copy paste this code to create the tables and insert the data. Simply you have to select these statements and create the tables and insert data into it. Okay, now refresh this one and you will be able to see the tables. Click on the table icon. This is your table and it has the data. You can also check the second table. You have data there, right? Now let's go and use the truncate statement to delete the data inside it. I'm gonna say clear and how to use the truncate statement. Truncate table and you mention the table name. After that you want to execute this statement. Okay, it's executed. Staff member, now go on, click on this table icon and you will be able to see that the data is deleted but the structure is the same, it's maintained, right? It's not deleted. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna say describe and whatever the table name, and let's see the structure of our table. Okay, the column names are there, is data type is there, whether it's null or not is there, and the keys are there, primary and foreign key, and then default data. Okay, everything looks good. Now let's delete the second table. In second table I'm gonna say truncate table. Let's delete this one and let me copy staff truncate table staff department, right? And you just click on this one and the error is saying that cannot truncate a table reference in a foreign key constraint. Okay, so we cannot truncate this table since it's reference in a foreign key constraint. What we have to do here, we have to simply disable the foreign key. We'll say set disable foreign key. It's very simple. We're just gonna go You're gonna say set foreign key checks is equal to 0, and once you delete the data inside it using truncate statement, let's see, clear. Now execute this statement. First I need to execute this one. Disable the keys. Foreign keys disabled. Now you will be able to delete the data. Okay, it's executed successfully. Let's go and check department table. The data inside is deleted, right? Now if you wanna see the constraint data type, you can use the describe information. You can use the describe uh, table. So the structure of table is there. Let's close this one, and again you can reset the setting of your foreign key enable, and you just say it as foreign key check is equal to 1. Okay, everything looks good, and I think that's all for this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know. All right, thank you, take care, bye bye.